Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about working with Windows 7. Okay, so in computer we are using the operating system, that is Windows 7 generally. Let's see what is the working with Windows 7. Children, in the previous class you were introduced with Windows 7 and the various operations that you can perform on the desktop of Windows 7. So what are the functions, what are the working principle of Windows 7 that we'll learn here. Next, coming to the features of Windows 7, the first popular GUI version. What is the GUI version? Means graphical use interference. Okay, GUI stands for graphical use interference version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then many versions of Windows has been released. Okay, the most popular version of the Windows are Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. So these are the different versions of Windows operating system. They are nothing but one operating system, you can say. So what are the features of Windows 7 that we'll discuss here one by one. Windows 7 is nothing but it is more attractive, interactive and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes. Themes means varieties of colors, backgrounds, okay, thumbnails, preview, etc. The use of graphics made it quite interactive. जो graphics इसमें use हुआ है, that is more interactive. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. ये कैसा काम कर, हम जैसे चाहते हैं ना उसको वैसे ही डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो एंड न्यू थिंग्स इज पॉसिबल मीन्स सम न्यू थिंग्स विल बी जनरेटेड. Searching made easier. Using Windows 7 we can quick search and file or folder in our computer. Suppose we have made many files in our computer, so suddenly it is required any file, so we can easily search it any file or folder. Okay, for the searching option. Flexible taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application oriented, unlike the previous version of Windows. We can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. So pin bar means in the bottom of the monitor, it is pin bar is there. Pin bar means small icon is there, like your Word file, Excel file, your Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. Okay, all the small icon is located, that is called pin bar, and you have to click on that, then the location or the directory directly goes to the particular file. Next is Windows supports multitasking. Obviously Windows 7 can effectively perform more than one task at a time. Obviously during the internet we can perform our the Word file, Excel file, okay, many more tab we are opening and we can easily use it. Okay, for example we can type letters in MS Word while enjoying listening to the music using the Windows Media Player. मतलब इसका मीनिंग क्या है, जब तुम लोग गाना सुनने के टाइम भी MX प्लेयर में गाना सुनने के टाइम भी तुम लोग अपना वर्ड फाइल में भी तुम टाइप कर सकते हो. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज multitasking. Okay, at a time it can work more job. Fine. Then jump list. This is a new feature that takes us straight to the document, pictures, songs or websites we have recently visited. Jump list can be found on the application icons that appear on the taskbar when an application is running, or on the start menu is recently opened program selection. For example you can see, for example Internet Explorer shows the recently opened websites. To open a jump list, right click on the program icon on the Windows taskbar. मतलब रिसेंटली तुम जो भी आइकॉन, जो भी फोल्डर फाइल ओपन किया है, इट विल बी लिस्टिंग आउट. ओके, सो दैट यू कैन डायरेक्टली जंप टू द फाइल. Clear? Next, what is the cascading windows? This option is displayed when you right click on the taskbar The cascading window option arranges all the open windows from top to left corner of the screen to the bottom right to the layers. Okay, the cascading window option arranges all the open windows. मतलब window means what? One new tab, whatever you are opened, all these things it will be displaying from cascading windows. Okay, then the taskbar. What is the taskbar? Taskbar, you see the figure number 3.3. Suppose which options are working actively, that is called taskbar. So you see, first one is the start button and active application. Suppose one Excel file we have opened and that is the active application. Next is the quick launch bar, that one also active. Notification area, you see extreme rights, it is the notification area, speaker, date and time. Okay, so this all total you can say that is your taskbar. Okay, the taskbar has the following three main sections. इसमें भी तीन अलग अलग sections है. Let's see what are the three main sections. The start button. Start button, you know what is the use of start button, still we'll discuss. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the start button, a menu displaying on the major options appear. Obviously, whenever you have to click on the start button, one menu will be showing to you. This menu is known as the start menu. This menu is known as start menu. These options present in the start menu provides the access to the main program on the computer. जब तुम इसके ऊपर क्लिक करोगे, तुम्हारा लिस्ट ऑफ द मेन्यू और मेन्यू एक लिस्ट आएगा, उसमें से तुम कोई भी फाइल या फोल्डर को क्लिक करके डायरेक्टली एक्सेस भी कर सकते हो. क्लियर? Notification area. What is the notification area? This area contains the clock and other programs icons which provide the status and notification about the programs running on the computer. That is called the notifications. Example: antivirus programs, software updates, sound, speakers, battery status, day, time. It is what? It is located monitor extremely right side bottom. Okay, extremely right side bottom of the monitor. It is showing or not date and time. What is the battery percentage charging, percentage of charging. Okay, and speaker option also. Okay, whether you want to change the volume or not. Okay, everything that is called notification area, you can say. Next, what is that? Quick launch bar. Quick launch bar. This quick launch bar provides an easy and quick way to open the program. This is the area between the start button and the notification area. Okay, this launch bar is located, or quick launch bar is located where? The start button, as I said, and start button as well as in between the notification area. Here you add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word application, TalkSpend programs, etc. These can be opened or launched with a single clock. Single, not clock, that is single click. एक बार तुम click करोगे, then that quick launch bar will be open or access easily. Using desktop. You see what is the desktop? You see figure number 3.4, that is desktop icons. Okay, desktop icons. Using desktop क्या क्या तुम इसमें मतलब आइडिया मिल रहा है इसमें. Okay, so you see first icons means computer. This is the computer icon. This is the Internet Explorer icon. Okay, and this is the recycle bin icon. Okay, नीचे bottom one is the one file icon. Okay, so these are the icon you can say. Then shortcut icon. Shortcut icon means you see, shortcut icon means कोई भी फाइल को ओपन करोगे उसमें सिर्फ शॉर्टकट फाइल ही मिलेगा, मतलब तुम उसमें से एक्सेस करके बाद में अपना फाइल को भी ओपन कर सकते हो. And this is the desktop, right hand side bottom top. What is that? It is written desktop. So desktop means it is nothing but your monitor screen, TV screen. Okay, whatever things are opened initially, that is called desktop. And this is the taskbar. As I said, the bottom of the computer or bottom of the monitor, it is clearly visible the small icon, that is called taskbar. Okay, here also you have to click, single click, then it is directly linked to the file or any directory or directly linked to the folder. Start button, you see one extremely left button, that is your start button. Next, what are the icons? Icon means क्या है? Icons are the small pictures that represent file, folders and programs. As I said earlier, what are the icons? Okay, it is a small files or folders or program. This icon play a very important role in a graphical user interface. Let us learn about some commonly used icon. कंप्यूटर का जो आइकन है उसका काम क्या है? गिव यू ए व्यू ऑफ अवेलेबल ड्राइव्स. सपोज इसको हम लोग ओपन करते हैं, इसमें क्या क्या दिखता है? पहले तुम्हें दिखता है सी ड्राइव, डी ड्राइव, ई ड्राइव्स, डिफरेंट ड्राइव्स के बारे में तुम्हें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है. ओके, सिमिलरली application icons, these are the very graphical image that gives you a quick access to the related applications. एप्लीकेशन आइकन मीन्स इसको तुम क्लिक करोगे, इसका रिलेटेड जो एप्लीकेशन है और दैट विल ओपन. शॉर्टकट आइकन्स. ओके, शॉर्टकट आइकन मीन्स सपोज वर्ड फाइल का एक आइकन रहता है या एक्सेल फाइल का, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल का एक आइकन रहता है. ओके, इफ विल क्लिक ऑन दैट, then a shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application. Okay, document or a folder, it has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Okay, lower arrow means what? It will directly jump to the file. Document icon means you see how it looks like. The active documents window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which get placed to the taskbar. Okay, इधर भी तुम डायरेक्टली क्लिक करोगे, then it will be directly route to a specific application only. Okay, similarly, what is the network? You see in the network allow us to access the shared files or device on different computers sharing a common network for data transmission. Suppose, what is the network? Let me tell you details. Suppose you are working in a particular office. Suppose 5 computers are there. Okay, suppose 5 computers are there, and all the computers, what we rename? Computer 1, computer 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, suppose any data you want to download it, any data you want to store in computer 5, but तुम computer 1 में बैठे हो और तुम computer 5 में रखना चाहते हो, वो शेयरिंग नेटवर्क में बोल सकते हो उसको. सो कंप्यूटर 1 में तुम बैठे अपना डेटा तुम कंप्यूटर 5 में भी जो शेयरिंग में तुम रख सकते हो, that is called network. And same data कंप्यूटर 3 में भी जो भी आदमी बैठा होगा ना, वो भी ओपन कर सकता है. that is called network. Then coming to the recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files or folders. The deleted file or folders can be restored to their original location from the recycle bin. Suppose कोई भी चीज़ को हम लोग delete कर दिया, and that to be stored in recycle bin. Sometime it happens if same file, if it is required again, so what you have to do, we can access the same file and we can store in our particular location wherever it is required. Okay, use the shortcut menu. Means what? When you right click on the any icon, a pop-up menu appears which is called as context menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. Right click on the different areas and objects will display different set of commands in the context menu. The context menu is also called as shortcut menu. You will find the properties option at the bottom of the list. You see, figure number 3.5, shortcut menu displaying the personalized options. Okay, suppose कोई भी चीज़ shortcut फाइल देखना चाहते हो, then click on the right click, then go to the personalize. So personalize option will be there, you have to click on that and you can easily access it. The next is right clicking on the blank area of the desktop. Blank area of the desktop means when you again you have to go for the figure number 3.6 शॉर्टकट मेन्यू डिस्प्लेइंग प्रॉपर्टीज ऑप्शन. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑप्शन जाके तुम लोग देखना है, दैट इज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑप्शन. व्हाट इज दैट? द पर्सनलाइज ऑप्शन कैन बी सीन एट द बॉटम. यूजिंग द पर्सनलाइज ऑप्शन यू कैन चेंज द बैकग्राउंड सेटिंग ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप, स्क्रीन सेवर. सपोज कोई भी बैकग्राउंड को तुम्हें चेंज करना है, स्क्रीन सेव चेंज करना है, या कोई और स्क्रीन में कुछ शो करना है, अपना नाम को भी शो करना है, दैट यू कैन डू ऑल्सो. Then right clicking on an icon. When you right click on an icon on the desktop, you will find the entirely different menu. The properties option will be found at the bottom of the list. Okay, and ये कहाँ पे तुम्हें मिलेगा? वो लिस्ट का बॉटम में एकदम मिलेगा, तुम्हारा प्रॉपर्टीज में जाके देख सकते हो. ओके, आई होप एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस थिंग.